What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Stank815, and I'm back with another fishing video. Y'all new to this channel, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, share, comment, get notified when I do these fishing videos. It's Stank815 Fishing. Then I got my main page, Stank815. I really appreciate each and every one of my subscribers. I'm out here, got my homie with me as always, my homie D. Y'all know he fish with me more than any of my homies do. So we about to catch some bait and then go to Wisconsin, you guys. We're gonna try a different spot in Wisconsin that we never tried. So y'all stay tuned, man. Oh, what you got on there, Lee? Yeah. The man is using a leaf, you guys. Hold on, let's see. This would be the first time I've ever seen somebody catch a bluegill with a leaf. Oh, he hitting it. He on there. A man using a leaf, you guys. I ain't even bring my pole. Let's get there. Come on, man. Already in the water and got one gill already, man. And look, make sure you look at the size of these bluegills, bro. Okay? So you don't get to talking about, oh, my bluegills are the big ones. No, you see the size. You see the size of him? Come on. I'm already out here catching gills. You ain't. Ah, this is your spot. Y'all, I gotta come out here and school this little youngin', man. This is what happens when you come fishing with the youngins, man. You gotta school y'all, man. Oh, with my homie CJ, we'd catch all types. You a youngin'? Oh, is that another one? You a youngin' out here, man. Every time I come, I catch all the bait. Look, I catch them all, man. Every time I come on my channel, they know. They know who is the bluegill king when it comes to catching bait, man. That's two already. How many we need? Huh? Hey, man, what's your mouth when you say that word, man? You know what word?
I need another.
No, you know, you just say you need another thing to catch fish with. Yeah, man.
Just catching bait.
Yeah. Oh, I see you got some bullheads. That's what we need right there.
Right. What you gonna use them at? Just probably the dam. Oh yeah. Yeah. I might shoot up there below you too.
Yeah, that's what we on our way. Yeah. Yes, sir. I didn't want to tell you at first.
Same part that let them use it. Clip his motherfucking
Come on, D, man.
I gotta go get the different hook.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hook too small now.
Cause we need some what's in there. We need bullheads, man. Well, let me go right here, man.
Unlock your door.
It's unlocked. We need a couple of bullheads. Yeah, just a couple bluegills. Come on, man. see if I can catch a bullhead real quick, you guys. We just need a few more. Mm-mm. We got like 4. We need more than that though. We got like 4, but we need more than that. Yes, I do. You ain't got none.
What I tell you about that? We got no.
Nah.
We do.
Nah, we don't.
I got a regular hook now.
Hey man, what I tell you about that word, man?
Grown man.
Just say you got something to catch fish with, man. Here you go. Putting all the way on mine through there, man. For what?
See the worms out there? Yeah, you supposed to put in the refrigerator. When somebody else end up going to share my shit.
I got 4 in there.
Told you, I ain't heard from Dink since we brung fish.
All right, man. You on camera?
What that mean?
I'm glad you ain't heard from him on camera.
I ain't called.
On camera. I'm glad you ain't heard from him. Can't fish anyway. I'm gonna say it on camera. Can't fish, man. We bring a lot of people with us that can't fish, man.
I brung you with me and you can't fish.
Boy, you crazy. Boy, you crazy.
Oh man, you gonna throw that ball back and come back and get him next year.
Nah, he going in the bucket. If he live, he come back. I mean, he get released where we at. Raggedy old pole you got, man. Look. Come on, man. We need a bullhead, like 4 of them.
You gonna have to go deep then. Go deep for that, huh?
I'm glad Dink ain't here. I'm gonna say that on record too. I'm glad Dink ain't here. On record.
He is my brother. On record.
He can't fish. On record, brother or not. It's windy than a mud today, boy. Come on, man. Catch some bluegill so we can go, man. No, you ain't. Don't lie to them people like that. No, on record you lie. You ain't caught nothing. Ain't nothing in there yours. Not in that, not in that. Look, so all you do is get snags, man. You might well throw him back and let him grow up next year.
On record, you better grow while it's in this bucket.
Damn.
Open it up. On record.
No, you open it. It's already open. Yeah, I know you ain't used to no stuff like that.
Man, you don't get that. Snooks grocery bag up out of here.
Come on, man. These the type of gills I pull out. Yours ain't big like, come on. Man, how many snags you gonna get, man? Huh? Leave that open, man, for me, because I'm the only one catching them.
I just put you in there.
No, you just put one in there. And he was the smallest. Come on, man, we need a bullhead or something, man. I see him. Pick the bait up, man. Tupac, when I die, flat tires in eternal fire, just a minute too. I'm having visions of leaving dead in a hearse. We was up in Bullhead, we would have been had about 12 now. Bluegill. No, you don't. You reel it in, it's mine. The first buoy you catch, mine. If you catch some after that, they're yours. Tell you was going to Bullhead fishing. He said, probably the dam. They ain't gonna say, probably, but me either. I'll show up and ask him what dam. They said, probably Bullhead. Hey man, these little bitty, come on man, we gotta go try Lake Victoria, bro. Or else we're gonna be stuck right here trying to catch these little ones all day, man. D, let's go try Lake Victoria, man. That's right there in South Bullhead, right by Bullhead.
Right, right here.
Oh, come on, man. It's great catching seaweed. Oh, my God, man. I caught all in there. Only thing you caught was one. Caught one. They ain't even little as well. You know, my destiny is here. My life is in Naya. When I die, flat tires, eternal fire. Yeah, I bought that off Temu. Yep. For like, I think like $5 or something.
It's got a pocket for the aerator.
Yes, sir.
That's what's up.
Got tired of the bluegill. We be traveling and they jumping out the bucket. Can't grab the bucket. They thought we was going in there, huh? I seen them looking there like it was counting. They took it. Thought we was dipping in it. Dang, man. We ain't catching nothing, man. Huh? Come on, man. We gotta go catch some.
He is catching.
I'm catching them. One of mine fell right there. Think about going down there and get him. Where he at? He's somewhere down here. I'll be watching what I catch. Come on, man. Yeah, find them so I can come. I already know where they at, man. Let me go where them nice sides was at. Let me go where them nice ones at. What's out, D, man? Going where them nice ones at.